Welcome to the show. What are we going to unbox today, Lucas?
Yes.
We are going to unbox some exercise mats. So, pretty fun show. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
All right, thanks for joining the show today. We're going to do a quick unboxing on these floor mats. Are you ready? All right, let's go ahead and start unboxing the mats. You can see what... I'm going to use my scissors. He is using his hammer. Let's see. All right, here we go. We have our exercise mats. These are pretty cool. They're from a company called ProSource. This is an exercise mat. It's an interlocking puzzle type of mat that you can put together. It comes 2 foot by 2 foot. These are extra durable cushion on it. This is what I wanted for my exercise room so that I can be working out or the kids can be doing gymnastics down in the basement. I've been using this for over 2 or 3 years.
Hey, there's some more.
Yeah, there's some more. I'm going to be showing you on our floor what these look like. And like I said, been using these for 2 or 3 years.
There's a blue one.
This one is a blue one. They come in different colors. And so, you ready to go install this? All right, let's go do it. Hey, these exercise mats, they protect the floor. They provide comfortable workout area. They're durable, non-skid texture foam, water resistant, and noise reducing. They cover 24 square feet when fully assembled. The material is an EVA foam. In the package, when you buy these, there will be 6 of these blue or black squares, whatever color that you're going to order. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I hope you had a great time watching us. These mats are super durable, super fun. They'll hold up, in your exercise room down the basement. You like playing with them, don't you, Lucas? I'll have a link down below where you can find these on Amazon in the description. And like always, have a fun day. Adios, bye-bye.
Adios, bye-bye.